Running UK payroll in Xero might seem complicated at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly straightforward. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up and run UK payroll on Xero and give you some tips that can save you time and reduce errors. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident using Xero for payroll, so let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is set up your Xero account. If you don't have an account yet, you can start with a free trial, and I've got an exclusive bonus for you if you use the link in the description below to sign up. Once you're logged into Xero, go to the payroll section. If you're new to this, Xero will guide you through the process of setting up your company payroll. It's a step-by-step process, and Xero makes sure everything is in compliance with UK payroll regulations, so you don't have to worry about staying up to date with the latest laws. Now, let's focus on adding employees. In Xero, go to the Employees tab and click on Add Employee. You'll need to fill in some basic details like their name, job title, pay rate, and tax code. Xero also asks for national insurance numbers, which is essential for calculating deductions and contributions. Don't worry if you're not sure about the tax codes. The software will automatically suggest the correct ones based on the employee's details, but you can always double check. When you're adding an employee, make sure to set up their pay schedule. Xero offers flexibility here, so you can choose weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly pay periods, depending on your company's payment structure. You can even add additional pay items, such as bonuses or commission payments if necessary. Next, let's talk about running payroll. Once your employees are set up, click on the Pay Run tab in the Payroll section. Here, you'll select the pay period you're processing payroll for. Xero will automatically calculate the gross pay for each employee based on their hours worked, salary, or other pay items you've set up. All the deductions for tax, national insurance, and pensions will be calculated for you. For UK payroll, Xero will generate payslips automatically and even allow you to email them directly to your employees, saving you time and effort. If any discrepancies come up, maybe someone worked extra hours or had an issue with deductions, you can make adjustments before finalizing the pay run. Xero also offers powerful reporting tools. After processing payroll, you can check the payroll report to see a breakdown of everything, from employee pay to the company's contributions. This helps ensure accuracy and gives you insights into your overall payroll costs. Once payroll is finalized, Xero gives you the option to submit your pay and other tax filings directly to HMRC, so you don't need to worry about paperwork or missing deadlines. The software handles all the submissions electronically, ensuring compliance with HMRC's guidelines. One of the best parts about using Xero is that it integrates seamlessly with your accounting. So when you run payroll, the financial transactions automatically update in your accounts, saving you from having to manually enter everything twice. This integration streamlines your workflow and reduces the risk of errors. Finally, Xero also offers a straightforward way to handle employee pensions. If you're using a pension provider that integrates with Xero, the software will automatically calculate contributions and send the necessary files to your provider, making pension management a lot easier. In summary, running UK payroll in Xero is simple and efficient thanks to its user-friendly interface and powerful automation. You can set up employees, process payroll, and file taxes, all in one place. Plus, Xero takes care of all the regulatory updates for you, so you can focus on growing your business rather than worrying about compliance. Remember, you can try Xero for free using the link in the description below. And with our exclusive bonus, you can get an extended trial. Give it a go today and streamline your payroll process in no time.